Don't wait until your home's roof collapses before you call for repairs. Thanks to Colony Roofers, your family has access to the roofing solutions you need across the Atlanta area. They can identify suitable repair or replacement options extending to your roof's shingles, gutters, and more. Colony Roofers can accommodate you with affordable plans utilizing reliable, industry-favored materials. Combining skill and experience, the professional Atlanta roofers are well positioned to meet your needs. Click the link in the description to find out more.